Good morning, class. On previous term, we had studied about the cell theory, discovery of cell, and its shape, size, and number. Right? Okay. Today we are going to start cell structure. Today we will study about the structure of the cell. Students, each and every cell has three important parts. Okay, three main parts: the cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Okay, many more parts are also there, but these three are the main parts of the cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. So firstly we will study about the cell membrane. Students, what is cell membrane? Cell membrane, its another name is plasma membrane. Okay, cell membrane is also called plasma membrane, and it is a thin membrane present around the cytoplasm. Students, the cell's boundary. Okay, this, for example, there is a boundary in playground now. In same way, the boundary of the cell by which the whole cell is surrounded, that boundary is called cell membrane. Okay, it is like the boundary of the cell. Okay, and what it does, what are the function of cell membrane? Its functions are, it separates cell from another and also another cell, and also from the surrounding medium. Means two cells are separated from each other by the help of cell membrane. Okay, students, first one more thing I want to tell you. All living organisms are made up of cells, right? All living organisms are made up of cells, out of which plants are made up of plant cells and animals are made up of animal cells. Means the cells of animal are called animal cells, and the cells of present in plant body are called plant cells. Okay, so what is cell membrane? Cell membrane is the boundary of the cell. Okay, it separates cell from other cell or from its surrounding medium, and other function, maintains cell shape. Okay, the shape of the cell, a fixed shape of the cell is maintained because of this cell membrane. And students, it is made up of carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Okay, mainly it is made up of fat and protein. Carbohydrates are also there. So cell membrane is made up of fats and proteins. Okay, and one most important feature of the cell membrane, that it is selectively permeable. Okay, selectively permeable means, what is the meaning of selectively permeable, students? It means that only selected substances can go inside the cell and can come outside the cell. Means the cell membrane is the boundary, right? For example, students, you can see in this diagram, this is the cell membrane, right? This is the cell membrane. It is selectively permeable. So only that substance can go inside the cell by crossing the cell membrane, to which the cell membrane allows. Okay, and only that substance can come outside the cell membrane, to which the cell membrane allows. Okay, so cell membrane is the selectively permeable. It only selected substances can cross the cell membrane. Okay, can go inside the cell and can come outside the cell. So students, it is selectively permeable. Okay, now the next is cell wall. Students, what is cell wall and what are the functions of cell wall? Students, cell wall is only found in plant cells. Okay, the cell wall is only present in plant cells. In animal cells, the cell wall is absent. Okay, and it is present in plant cells, it is present outside the cell membrane. For example, if this is a cell, okay, it is an animal cell, but if it is a plant cell, then outside the cell membrane, cell wall is present. Okay, cell wall is present outside the cell membrane only in plant cells. Okay, now it is made up of, students, cellulose. Okay, cell wall is made up of cellulose, and it is non-living membrane. Okay, because cellulose is a non-living molecule, that's why this cell wall is made up of cellulose, and it is also non-living. Cell membrane is living, but cell wall is non-living. And cell membrane made up of fats and proteins, but cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, cell membrane present in both plants and animal cells, but cell wall present only in plant cells. Okay, and it is, students, cell wall is freely permeable, fully permeable. Cell membrane, I told you that selectively permeable, only selected substances can cross the cell membrane, but cell wall is fully permeable. All the particles, all the liquid gaseous particles can enter and exit through the cell wall, okay, without any problem. So cell wall is permeable, it is fully permeable, okay. Now functions, what are the functions of cell wall? Students, it is like a wall, okay. For example, a building has a wall, okay. In same way, cell wall, that's why its name is cell wall. It is also very rigid like a wall, and it provides mechanical support to the cell. It provides rigidity and support to the cell, plant cells, because the students, you know that plant, the stem, root of the plant are not flexible, okay. Means in the big trees their stem is not flexible, so, and these cells, these plant cells maintain their shape, right. Plant cells maintain their proper shape because of cell wall, okay. So cell wall is very hard and rigid, it provides rigidity and strength to the mechanical support to the cell, and it protects internal organs of the cell. It protects also the cell organelles which are found inside the cell, to which cell wall provide protection. Now you must be thinking, ma'am, what are cell organelles? Okay beta, I will tell you. As in our body, there many organs are present, na? Stomach, eyes, ear, intestine, nose, teeth. Okay, so all the organs are present in our body. In same way, inside our cells also some organs, some small organelles are present, which are called cell organelles. Because these are small, that's why they are called organelles, and they are present inside the cell, that's why they are called cell organelles. Okay. So who provides protection to the cell organelles? Cell wall and cell membrane provide protection to the cell organelles, okay. Now the third is cytoplasm. Students, cytoplasm is a jelly-like semi-fluid substance between the cell membrane and nucleus. Students, you can see in this cell, it is the cell membrane, okay. It is the cell membrane, and this pinkish color structure is nucleus. So between the cell membrane and nucleus, a jelly-like liquid substance, semi-liquid substance is present. This semi-liquid substance is called cytoplasm, okay. So it is a jelly-like semi-liquid substance present between the cell membrane and nucleus, and it is mainly made up of water, okay. 90%, 90 to 92% cytoplasm is part of the cytoplasm is water, is made up of water, okay. And many chemical reactions, many life processes of the cell takes place in this cytoplasm, okay. All the reactions which are taking place by the cell, all the reactions which take place in cell, they are mainly takes place in cytoplasm, and in cytoplasm cell organelles are also there, okay. I told you what are cell organelles. As our body has organs, in same way cell also has small organelles which are called cell organelles. So cell organelles are also present in this cytoplasm, and many chemical reactions also takes place in cytoplasm. It is jelly like liquid, okay, and it is made up of 90% of water, okay. So students, today we had studied about cell membrane and cytoplasm. Now on next 10 we will study nucleus, which is the control center of the cell. Thank you.